My name is Aaron Coleman from college. I worked in the baby bookworm club. Enjoy working with children, so working those was perfect for me. At the start of the day, I helped set out the toys and prepared the tables for messy play, painting and crafts. I also helped to prepare healthy snacks for them. My time working with the children made me know that I want to do this work in the future.
Hi, my name is Morgan. I work with Alan in the gym and in the sports hall. I help to keep the equipment clean and made sure it was set out the start of the day. I would like in the future to continue my work experience working with others to help them to stay fit and healthy. I've took also part in a football tournament in Cardiff when I played against other colleges in Wales. Our team reached the final.
Hello, my name is James. I'm a student at Merthyr Tydfil College in the Independent Living Skills Department. Dowlais Community Centre gave me the opportunity to have a work experience. I worked in the railway cafe. I helped prepare fresh foods for the customers to enjoy. I worked alongside Mike. He taught me how to make biscuits, cakes and lasagna and lots of other things.
My name is Rachel. I'm at Merthyr College. I worked in the garden helping make it all pretty. I report plants. People, customers like chill out and enjoy in the garden. I like doing it again in the future.
Hello, my name is Dave Foster. I'm from Merthyr Tydfil College. We'll all take part to spread the world, helping the public safe, and to show people where to go to different events that are organised and where the toilets were.
My name's Daniel Bernard and I'm from Merthyr College. I take part weekly in a performing arts over in Merthyr Red House, and I recently took part in a Christmas show called 12 Days Till Christmas. At first I would never have done anything like this, but after the time, experience and support of the college, I feel I can achieve anything.
Thank you for watching us.